I think, yeah, why not? We'll do one more. A quick one. A quick one, he said. I'm sure this is totally going to be quick. Like you, feel neutral about both of you. Roll this. I can't help myself. I can't help myself. Ever since I got put on this birdie. The birdie good, man. People sleeping on the birdie. Fatherly herbs. Fatherly herbs. Don't tell me twice. I wonder what he means by fatherly herbs, guys. What does that mean? Now, I think the reason that people... Oh, nice! Nice! Yeah, I think we were going to win that one regardless. I have yet to see a duck. Are ducks not in this pack? I don't know. I don't know. Now, we're waiting for day 3 to potentially get a big animal. Ooh, we do like this and that. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop you two together. Yes, because you're going to upgrade anyway. We're going to plop you in and then switch that and hopefully be enough. Yeah. Man, this birdie, like, I know it doesn't seem like much, but a 5-1 on like day 3, that's pretty strong. Especially with ants who can potentially throw back health on it. And again, okay, we lived that and we tied that. We tied that. Not bad, not bad. Don't mind the draw right there. Because this is long term, right? Okay, so upgrade a rabbit. A rabbit. Friends eat food, get health. I was just about to say, I do not mind picking up some honey over here. But let's just freeze. Might do something weird here. I might go honey anyway. Freeze this. And then hope for pill. No pill. Dig get ant. We'll freeze ant. Hope for pill. Hope for pill. Because that's one way that we can increase the HP very, very early on that bird that is now getting ridiculous attack stats. I don't hate this squad. Not on the bunny. On the bunny, of course. On the bunny, of course. Yeah, that wasn't quite going to do it. Wow, he has quite the squad there. We'll say congrats. That was quite the squad that you had there, sir. Well, sometimes doesn't really work out. Ooh, unfreeze. Faux show. Gonna take advantage of the bunny a little bit. Because the bunny's not long for this world, guys. I know you guys were thinking, you know what? Mosquito's done its job. Mosquito's doesn't do anything. Okay, I kind of always run this kind of a build, but I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad. Because 1 extra gold, it is nice. It is quite nice. 10-4 birdie needs to carry us to victory. For free ant, you trade perfectly in the beginning. Ooh. Okay, well, that at least is going to wreck us. Wreck us. Oof. Spider. How did he get a whale so early? What is the whale Tiering. What is the whale tiering? I want to know. Okay. Well. Look. We always do this. Let's switch it up a little bit, you know? Buy that. Roll this. Double caterpillar could be interesting. Okay. Especially since we're day 5. Okay, and I did not want you to get that, but it's fine. Don't you worry about it. You do run a business. Don't care, because all of these caterpillars are eventually going to do some stuff for us. I think it's time for this to combine, that to buy. Could also just sell Dromedon. Yeah, I think we might just do that. I mean, it's gonna go on the wrong one. Yeah, I figured. But that might actually help us win around 12, 12-5. Not loving my squad. Not loving my squad, but it has the potential, guys. It has the potential to blossom into something absolutely beautiful. And that's what I love about caterpillars, you know? We're effed. We're so roasted. So roasted. We're so roasted. Okay. We're dead. We're super dead. I have no faith. Oh my god, all faith has been restored. Okay. Okay. Boop that. Bop that. Dupe that. Is there any possible way that we make this until this caterpillar hatches? I say no. No, there is not. So give me that. Okay, do want to finish that. We are going to potentially kill that. Dig dang diggity. Okay. Rooster dude. Carry me all the way. All the way. Yes. Pop ant next turn. Pray good things happen soon. Man, we are roasty. We are super roasty. At least we get another 8-1 chick at the end. Which will eventually spiral. Will eventually spiral. Oh, with melon armor? With melon armor. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. We tied those. Wow. Wow. Unknown error. Okay, cool. Don't care about errors. A lot is happening right now. A lot is happening. Okay. This. For sure. Level 5 eagle. Okay. Freeze. Freeze 1 second. Pop this 1 second. Right? Yeah, for sure. For sure, you're gone. Yes! That was huge. Okay. Buy cow 1 second. Buy cow 1 second. Okay. Drop both milks on rooster 1 second. Get rid of cow for a second. Get eagle and roll. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Keep you. Then next turn we can definitely up. We have 1 win. We have one win. We are bottom of the barrel right now, Poop Lord. Absolute doo-doo. But it's fine. Because we have a level 6. Oh my god, look at this trash. Look at your trash. If we lose this, I swear. I swear. Come on. Oh, mammoth. Yes, baby. Okay, not great. Perfect. Oh yeah, okay. Give them all the stats. It's not gonna matter. Whew. Okay. Lot is happening here. A lot is happening. So, to save my soul, I'm gonna pop this. I have to. Don't care about that. Care about this. I'll roll one. That's not gonna matter. This is technically just as good as this. But on the upside, if we can get this guy to level 2. If we can get him to level 2. Also, we will have another 18, 13 right now. Actually, no, it's going to be higher. Higher stats. Okay. Hoping for a good level 6 as well. Not a bad thing. We have one loss and we're dead. Kind of a situation going on over here. It's not great. Maybe I should have put the bird front. Octopus. Okay. Still not great. Totally fine. Totally fine. Totally fine. Totally fine. I did not doubt my team even for a second. I knew we had it all the way. Okay, but I did make a little realization there. This bird needs to be in the front. Needs to be. Okay, we might just freeze that cupcake. For reasons, okay? Oh. Say no more. Say no more. Level 6. I mean, the only one that's not doing a ton right here, I mean, it's doing something. It's eagling. It's eagling for sure. You know what? So this summons two. Okay. You know what? Sometimes, right? I get a good feeling. Boop, boop. Full chick build. Full chick build. Full send. Oh, I can't do that though. I can't. I'm an idiot. Because it's not going to do enough. Okay, well, that's a bummer. Because that's a one-time thing. That's going to be every single turn. That was a mistake. That was a misplay. Then again, I wanted to buy 2 cupcakes anyway. Cupcake helps, but getting this out helps significantly more. That chick is gone. That chick is gone next time. Yeah. 18. We're going to have a lot of 23 attacks here. We really need to get our life up somehow. Boom. That did nothing. That did nothing. That's good. Yeah, okay. The dog, interesting, plays there. Okay, chick, you're gone. You're gonzo. You're frozen. You're upped, because we need health on you as well. That is basically increasing our entire offensive line. Oh, goodness. Oh, gracious. Oh, me. Oh my. Freeze. Smack. Roll. No, not quite. Another rooster does it though. Another rooster does it. Another chocolate does it. It would just be so cool to get this rooster up to 50, and then just start pumping out. Oh no, it's a turker. It's a turkey. It's a turkey. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's great. Okay, cool. Boost. Boo. Okay. Oh, that's gonna live forever with that stupid kangaroo behind. Okay. 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 Rooster build. Man, this rooster in the back is helping so much. I almost feel obligated to try. Right? Roll it. Nothing. Roll it. I guess we can freeze that. Roll it. Nothing. Roll it. Ooh. Double eagle. Freeze it. Cupcake it. Yes, cupcake it. Now, I guess we could can to then get more value out of these, but I think this is just going to have to be our squad. I think this is just going to have to be our squad. Alright, let's see if we can get this this rooster up to 50. Boom. B. Oh, perfect. Melon armor. Also, we could really use some better armors on this. Oh, you have level 5 chicks? Oh yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Yeah. That's cute. That's cute. Alright. Eaglage. Eaglage. Freezage. Now, I'm not a fan of suboptimal boostage, but you have to consider this. That 3 free right there is 3 free on this caterpillar, is 3 free on this caterpillar, is 3 free on this rooster, and is 3 free times, well, 3 attack, I guess, so free 0, twice on the ones that come after. Does this now not summon 2? Okay, yeah, perfect. And this is still getting value. That bird is still getting value, even though it's only a tier 1. Lovely. You love to see it. Yeah. Okay. Level up on the like that. That is the one thing I will say. No. Oh, that's really bad. Oh, that's really bad. He killed us before. Ooh. Thank you though. Thank you though. Oh, it summons 36 twos? It summons 36 twos? 2 chicks and half. Okay. Well now. I was just saying that we needed some melon armor on you, right? That's what we were saying. Nothing. Eagle, but nothing. I guess we can freeze that, because 2/2 is not terrible. Come on, I want a rooster or a chocolate here. No. No. No such luck. Poop lord. We're still gonna have some chances for it, unless we die miserably. Also, let's just switch you. Yeah, that's fine. How did they kill the butterflies though? like in the last one. Okay, cool. Okay, perfect. Eaglage. Oh. Okay. Yep, kill you. Kill you. That's fine. I don't know if that bee is helpful or harmful at this point. Like, just completely honest. What I do know is, can we please... It's not worth it. Can we please... We're looking for something very, very specific. Another life. Come back as a 1/1. So what does that mean? If he comes back as a 1/1, then it's not going to summon a powerful 1. But we could put that on the eagle, and then the eagle will bring back... Okay, yeah. That's fine. That's fine. Roll me. Okay. Stake this. I mean, it's not great by any means, but at least now it will do some serious damage. I'm actually liking our squad. I'm not gonna lie. I quite like our squad. As long as we don't have any snake snipers. Ooh. Okay, that was pretty decent charade. Okay. I don't even know what is happening. Coconut armor. That's gonna protect. Nice. Flies. Bad. Good? Yes. Good. Whew. One more. Can we please? It hasn't come down to it yet. But can we please get the roosterage? No. Okay. Well, since this is the last round, that just gets us tons of value. I mean, there's no way around that gets us a lot of value. Guys, I really wanted to get the triple rooster. Yes! As much as I would love to throw the cupcake on here, I think the level 3 rooster is the play. Absolutely. Absolutely. I guess we'll keep this frozen, because that way, you know, whatever. You get it. You get it. Keep that frozen just in case of a draw. But I think this is win, or lose. No, this is win. We win these. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Oh, getting that level 1. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, please, yes. Kill me. Oh, yes, baby. Wow. What a squad. What a squad. Bird squad for sure. Birds and caterpillars. Delicious. Alright. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it.